Product management is one of those topics that sounds super exciting but honestly थोड़ा सा mysterious भी है. You're making decisions all day, what to build, what not to build, कौन से features पे काम करना है, which design looks the best, which metrics to track. But the funny part is there is no rules or there are no playbooks for it. हर user अलग होता है, हर product अलग होता है और हर problem भी. And for anyone who is just starting out or is aspiring to be a product manager, it can feel a bit ambiguous. Like, seriously, what do product managers do all day? So, in this video, I aim to take you through a day in my life as a product manager here in Bangalore, what my work looks like, how decisions are made, and I hope to give you an idea about what exactly happens behind the scenes जब आप अपने फेवरेट ऐप में एक फीचर को लॉन्च होते हुए देखते हो. तो आ जाओ.
So hello everyone, good morning. अभी today is 10th October and अभी हो रहा है 6 AM and just अभी उठे हैं और रेडी होके जिम के लिए निकलते हैं. This is a day in the life of a product manager in Bangalore. तो आ जाओ.
Wife and 2 children who love me. I am the victim of police brutality. No, I'm tired of being a victim of hate. You're raping me of my pride, oh, for God's sake. I look to heaven to fulfill its prophecy. Set me free.
Alright guys, so we are done with the gym और अभी 8:36 हो रहे हैं. काफ़ी लेट है ये. जनरली ट्राई करते हैं कि 7:30 7:45 के अराउंड निकल जाए, बट आज यही सब शूटिंग वूटिंग के चक्कर में थोड़ा डीले हो गया. और मैं अभी ट्राई भी कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा कोर पे फोकस करने की. नेक्स्ट मंथ एक शादी है तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर अच्छे से फिट एंड फाइन. बट ठीक है, जिम हो गया. अब चलते हैं कुछ पेट पूजा करने और नीचे ही बताता हूँ क्या खाएंगे. मतलब मैं 4 अंडे और एक चना. This is my room. ये ऐसा का ऐसा ही है. इधर एक बालकनी है छोटी सी, इसमें कुछ कपड़े वगैरह लटका सकते हैं. मतलब छोटा सा प्यारा सा रूम है हमारा.
I remember myself young and restless, a lampoon of youth. So who am I to really teach?
ओके, तो रेडी तो हो गए हैं, बट ऑफिस के लिए निकलने से पहले एक छोटी सी चीज़ ख़त्म करनी है. तो उसके लिए अभी वर्क स्पेस में आ गए. उसी बहाने है वर्क स्पेस भी दिख जाएगी. आ जाओ.
But at least I think there are some nuggets found along the
Alright guys, so we are en route to our office. ऑफिस हमारे पीजी से 20 मिनट की चलने वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस दूर है. तो दैट्स गुड एक्चुअली कि चल के जा सकते हैं, चल के आ सकते हैं और वी डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक. बस वही है, चलते पहुँचते हैं एंड ऑफिस की तरफ. चलो आ जाओ. So now I'm in office and let's just see what a product manager actually does. So think of a product manager as the person responsible for ensuring that the right problems are being solved. Not just any problem, कोई भी problem नहीं, सही problem solve करना. And that process usually begins with problem discovery. Meaning talking to your users, studying data, getting yourself into your customers or potential customers' shoes, उनकी pain point समझना, देखना कि क्या work कर रहा है, क्या नहीं work कर रहा, and what could make their experience better. Once you find a problem worth solving, it's time to move on to validation. Validation is important, and for that we study data, we talk to more users, study competitors, and if at the end of all of it the answer is yes, we move on to the solutioning aspect, where we talk to designers, talk to other product managers to decide what is actually the best fit for this problem, कि हम किस optimal way में इस problem को solve कर सकते हैं in the best solution with the least amount of efforts. And once we align on a direction, I write something called as a PRD, which is Product Requirements Document, which basically acts as a blueprint. ये एक blueprint होता है जो बताता है कि क्या बना रहे, क्यों बना रहे, कैसे बना रहे एंड कैसे सक्सेस मेजर करी जाएगी. एंड आफ्टर दैट इट्स ऑल अबाउट कोलैबोरेशन, वर्किंग क्लोजली विद इंजीनियर्स, अटेंडिंग टेक एंड डिजाइन रिव्यूज,
We have something called as stand-ups, which are basically done by the engineering managers to keep track that the solution is on track, and we keep solving any edge cases which come during the building of that particular feature. And we have to constantly balance between scope, speed, and quality throughout this phase until the feature is live. And in this phase of building until the feature is ready to go live, we think of sort of a go-to-market strategy as well, which basically means कि हम कैसे इस product का, इस feature का हम adoption किस तरह maximize कर सकते हैं. And we talk to the marketing team, come up with a plan, and finally, when the product is live, it's time for the judgment day. Track metrics, talk to more users, and at that time, it's the reality check कि जो हमने बनाया है, like from the discovery to the feature going live, were all the efforts actually worth it? जो impact है actual में वो actually worth it है या नहीं, जैसा हमने पहले estimate किया था उतना है या नहीं. And sometimes we succeed, sometimes we fail. It's all a learning process along the way. Not all the days are the same, but at the end of it, it's the job is all about solving meaningful problems. And अब I think हम वापस ऑफिस चलते हैं. आ जाओ.
Alright, so guys, अभी हो रहे हैं 9:35. मैं ऑफिस में हूँ, बट एक चीज़ ख़त्म करनी थी, इसलिए now time to head back. तो a good day of work, Friday, and now weekend. तो थोड़ा सा ऑफिस का भी ग्लिम्स इधर दिख जाएगा आपको. ये हमारी ऑफिस है. ठीक है, चलो अब चलते बने, पैक कर दीजिए.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young.
So guys, it's time to call it a day finally. अभी 11:30 के आसपास जनरली मैं सो जाता हूँ. तो yep, this was a day in my life as a product manager in Bangalore, and I hope I could give you a brief idea about how it is like here. Or thank you for being with me throughout the day, or I will see you in the next one. Sayonara. Bye bye.